Hello and welcome to Zevy's Garage. Today we're going to be doing an oil change on a 2015 MINI Cooper F55 hardtop. This is a 4-door hardtop, hence the F55. This car is the base model, which comes with the B38 engine, which is a 1.5 liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine. Raise the car. Once the car is raised, you can look at the service panels. These panels help you get to the oil drain plug and the oil filter housing. The inspection panel towards the front of the car, as shown here, is for the oil filter housing cap and drain plug for the cap. The one towards the rear is for the oil drain plug for the engine itself, for the oil pan. And here is the oil pan drain plug. Here you can see the oil filter cap and the drain plug in the middle, which in this video you'll see we had a couple issues with that. So the first thing you want to do is remove the drain plug bolt. Also had some issues with that. Whoever was in there previously made it way too tight and stripped it. But from what I know, it's a 16 or a 17 millimeter socket. Remove the old drain plug crush washer and replace it with a new one. Set the torque for the drain plug to 18.5 foot-pounds / 25 newton meters. Okay.
I know this is German, but we're using standard tools for this.
The torque spec is good and tight. As you can see here, I am attempting to remove the drain, which has already been stripped before I was in there and was absurdly tight.
Ours is a red, why is it blue? Why is this shit pointed at the subframe? Or whatever
this should be a 32 millimeter socket, but we didn't have any.
Oh lordy.
This fit perfectly though.
There we go.
Only thing I left loose.
The only thing that was actually at like a correct torque spec. That was like perfect right there.
Ooh, yeah, oh my god. Thanks. I can't even move it. There.
I know that's why they have the drain plug there.
And that random line in the middle.
Yeah, that gets doused.
Replace the O-ring on the oil filter housing cap with a new one. Make sure to lubricate it.
Let's coat it with oil. Yeah, get it all lubed up. Why is this one like kind of weird? Whatever.
Probably because it's been in the garage for like months.
Install the new oil filter.
You put the dramatic music. You've seen those videos? Where it's like banging for no reason. Like the most
Is that going to be your whole voiceover? Is just the music is louder than the voiceover?
Exactly. Install the new oil filter and cap. Torque to spec. I don't remember what it was, but I believe it was also 25 newton meters. Good. Today we're using Liquimolly 0W20 oil. While running the engine, ensure that there are no leaks. Check the oil filter housing and check the oil drain plug. Ideally, you would clean these areas before running the vehicle or reinstalling these parts, but we sadly did not have any brake clean available. No leaks here. We are good. reset the oil service life. Cars. Yes. Oil. Yes. Yes. Yes.
It's like what oil?
While the car checks the oil level, please make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment. I appreciate any kind of feedback or input that you guys have. Thank you for watching. Now you can see that the oil level has been checked. It is within a safe margin and safe range, so this is a success. Thank you all for watching, and until next time, goodbye.